develop devices with innovative features and modern hardware. It may seem quite difficult or even unachievable to solve the problem of quality assurance with regards to the manufacturing process in our Chinese partner's factory, in the current business environment with close geographical borders. However, we are fully confident in the quality of our manufacturing process and in the delivered products and technologies. Let us explain why. As part of the development process, we validate the Wi-Fi diagrams as well as the heating of the various components, including under extreme conditions. The main verification happens in the process of the assembly. What do we validate? On the first run, we enable the self-diagnostics mode and check all chips are OK. We check the power nodes of the LNB and the power supply chains for the receiver. We check the voltages with no load, normal working load, and a stress load of 500 mA. We test the work load of 22 kHz as well as the receipt and transfer of digital satellite equipment control commands. We test the modulator of the inbound tuner. Test the log signal, RSSI level, and packet errors. Verify the initialization of CA slot. Verify Wi-Fi connection, data transfer, and data reception. Verify all USB inputs, effectively also testing the embedded USB hub. Test the internal infrared sensor and external inputs for infrared sensor. As a result of the above diagnostics, our partner receives a report for each manufactured receiver. Devices won't be shipped unless they have completed the entire test workflow successfully. The manufacturer's report is saved in the receiver's memory in JSON format. Such diagnostics aren't only used for the manufacturing validation, but also available to our partners in the reservice centers, streamlining the future service of the hardware.